Hey, what's up guys? Today we are making pickled cucumber, and the cucumber we harvested in our garden. Actually, it's avoman kurku, or I don't know what is it in English, but it should be like this big, but this is like quite overgrown because I forgot to harvest it. This is, I think, the right size, a little bit smaller. So it looks crunchy and fresh, and I will show you how to do a simple recipe so you can preserve your cucumber and make a twist. In a Filipino dish, we do it with onions and chilies, but only with vinegar. But this one, I will show you the 1, 2, 3 recipe for pickling, the pickling liquid. So let's do it. So guys, you just need to slice it. Some people or some chefs take out the seeds, but I don't take it out. So, and this is the sign that this is overripe or overgrown. So the seeds are big, and the middle part is already like transparent. So there you go. So you have to cut it just maybe 3 to 5 centimeters thick, and you just need to put it on the bottle or container. It doesn't need to be like airtight, but it's better if it's airtight, so it will preserve longer. And the pickling agent that we will use is 1, 2, 3. So 1 part vinegar, 2 parts sugar, and then 3 parts water. So we just need to put it on the pot, boil it, and then pour it here. So we put first the dry ingredients. Why? So we only need to use 1 measuring tool, because if this one gets wet, it's very hard to measure the sugar. So 2 parts sugar, 1 part vinegar, and we are using Vaki Vini Etica. So this one is in Finnish. Vaki Vini Etica, it's a bit stronger than your usual vinegar. It has 10% acid in this. If you translate it in direct English, it is white vinegar. So look, it's really white, and it has 10% acid. So 1 part vinegar, 2 parts sugar, and then 3 parts water. Voila! So guys, it's ready in the pot already, so we are going to boil this one. So after boiling this one, and then after the sugar is dissolved, it's ready. So kukul lang natin ng kaunti, pero hindi dapat siya malamig, kasi mas mabilis siyang mag-pickle at maluto yung cucumber if it is still warm, and mas crunchy yung inyong cucumber pagka warm mo siyang nilagay. And hindi lang cucumber yung pwede mong i-pickle with this liemi or pickling liquid. You can pickle chillies if you want. You can pickle root crops like beetroot, but blanch it first before pickling like root crops like carrots, beetroot. And you can also pickle red onions. Red onions is best like pickled in burgers. So you can put it like a side dish, or like in between Very, very, very yummy. So now it's starting to simmer already. So we will just gonna wait for the sugar to dissolve in the water, and then it's ready. And we just need to mix it so the sugar will not settle on the bottom. Because if the sugar settled in the bottom, it will absorb, or it will be like the first layer to encounter the heat, and it will burn. So it's ready. Take it out. So while we are cooling this one, like a little bit, not so cold, so it should be like the border of hot and warm. So we are going to make another kind of cucumbers, pickled cucumbers. So this is the Filipino style, but not so Filipino since we are in Finland and I'm representing Big Boy Finland. So we put some onions. So onions in. So it will add more flavor in this cucumber. Pinch of Himalayan salt. Chillies. So in Finland, you cannot find so many fresh chilies. So we are buying frozen chilies. 1 clove of garlic, just smash. You don't need to put so much garlic because you will pickle this for a few days and the flavor will be so strong. And 1 slice of ginger. So just chug it in. So we will put the liquid. I hope I will not spill any. So you can see the smoke, it's still warm. So if you don't have this kind of bottle or container, don't worry, you can put it like in Ziploc also. So guys, medyo nabitin yung liquid natin. We had to make a new batch. So for 1.5 kilos to 2 kilos of cucumber, we used 2 cups of vinegar, and then 4 cups of sugar, and 6 cups of water. So it's quite easy, right? And then now we just need to close this one, and also this one, and just let it pickle. You will know if this one is ready if the skin of the cucumber change the color into a little bit lighter. So it will be ready maybe tomorrow, just overnight, and the flavor will sip into the cucumber's meat. Is that right, meat? So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel, and then please click the bell button so you will be always notified every time we will upload new videos. So thank you guys, Big Boy Finland again here. See you on the next vlog. Ciao.